Hey guys, got these Vevor crab traps here just in time for crabbing season this year. And I got the 2-pot package here, and each one, with each pot, comes all these accessories here. So you got a float, got a crab checker. This thing also has a clam gauge on it too. Shows you the males and females, how to tell the difference there. Great crab checker here. Then you get this nice line here, this nice rope, some gloves, a bait bag, and some extra clips and hook-ons there. What's nice about this bait bag here, it's got a quick release, quick clamp on, quick release. 2 identical kits here. All right, and then these sides just like this. Just bring these straight up. Just clip on right here. Right over that. This little hook right here. Right over that. Same thing here, we'll just flip these around. Same thing with this side, just pop this out, hook it over the top. Then you can reach in here like that, and the crab can go right in here, and they can't get out because this is a one-way door. It's got 4 doors, 1 on each side here. Crab will crawl right through there, go in for the bait, and won't be able to get out. Now you don't always have to reach in through the side. It's got a top piece here too. Nice elastic hook there, so you can just reach down here, grab your crab out of there, rebait, whatever you need to do, and then go ahead and latch this again. Great kit here. This is everything you're gonna need. Here's a look at these nice bait bags here too. The other thing I like to do is keep everything that I'm gonna need for crabbing right in the pot till I'm ready to use it. You can put this in there. You're at risk for this falling out a little bit. I'd get a lanyard, clip it to the side, or keep it close by. You definitely want to keep this. That way you're ready to roll. Just pull up like this. You can pull your pot out under the dock or in the boat and have everything right in there. All right, we're ready to go drop some pots. All right, we got our chicken in here in the bait bag there. Okay, then we got our other piece hooked up. We're gonna hook up our rope right here. All right. Well, we dropped them off the dock and let them soak for about an hour. There was a couple times too, even after this video, we ended up catching a lot of crab, but we let it soak for a couple hours, and then in one case overnight, and did really well. And so here's just one of the pulls that we did with these pots, and we were getting on this day, you know, some keepers and some we had to throw back, Dungeness and rock crab. But overall, these things were really effective. It made for a nice day of being on the water and catching something good to eat. And looking forward the whole time as we're catching these things, looking forward to our evening crab boil. Once you get enough that you know you got enough for a couple meals, you start getting excited and thinking about how you're going to cook them up and all that. So we really had a good time doing this. And we got us a nice crab boil going here. Put some lemon and salt water in there. These Vevor crab pots were really nice and were key in our success for these Dungeness crab that we're cooking up here. They were absolutely delicious. Here's the final results of our catch of the day, thanks to these Vevor crab pots.